Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, Damsels and Dingbats, to another episode, State of Decay. First off, been a while since I last played. I have no idea what I'm doing. I've completely, lost track of the storyline. It's been a little while since I've played. I don't appear to have any missions, on the map here. So, I guess I'm just going to go somewhere and do something random. I think what I would like to do is go snipe some zombies, because I think that would be fun. That, like I said, I really have no idea what else is going on, so until somebody gives me one of those, hey, dipshit, you're supposed to be doing this, quest reminders, I'm on my own. So I'm going to go find me a good sniping location with this hunting rifle that I've had since the beginning of the game. And see what sort of chaos we can start.
Okay, now we're going to do this the old-fashioned way.
So I think this tower would be a halfway decent place to go. The roof up here would be good too. I think I can get on the roof up here, can't I? Let's go in here and check it out. Oh, come on. Alright, I haven't looted anything in here either. So that might be a good idea. Let's rummage through some shit real fast. Found nothing. Or maybe we won't loot anything. Okay, if I remember correctly, somewhere around here. Yes. Indeedy. Feed the needy. I'm going to come up here. I don't think... hopefully zombies can't climb ladders. If they can, I'm screwed. But that's what I brought Jebediah Dumbass with me for. Alright. So, now that I'm up here, there's a zombie over there. I can't zoom in very far. And this mouse is not... you see, this is not very conductive to... come on. Okay, so this mouse sucks. I wonder... I'll shut that off. And I'll get this one that glitches out all the time on me. Maybe it's my mouse sensitive. Yeah, see, that's got a little more... It's a little gentler on the transition. But it's still really choppy, so I wonder if I can go... No. Settings? Mouse sensitivity. Bring that down a little bit. Maybe that'll help. There we go. That's a little better. Still not fine-tuned enough for me to get any headshots, apparently, but... Bill, there's one. We're about to find out if these guys can make it up on the roof or not. Oh, whiff. How smart are the zombies, I wonder? Wow, there's a lot of them down there. This is why I do not like guns in zombie games. I don't even know if I'm getting any, like, if I'm ranking up my shooting skill or not by doing this. Yeah, I am. Alright. Well, I can't shoot you through the fence. Look at them coming out of the woodwork. They're coming from everywhere. Well, if my dumbass friend would come up the ladder from downstairs, he wouldn't be getting eaten on down there now, would he?
Even the best needs help sometimes.
Dumbass. Oh, what I would give for a grenade right now. Whip. I can't. I'm gonna screw around and fall off this building. Like a blender down there. Come on. Hold still. Yeah, see, this is why I don't like firearms. I suck with the firearms.
Zombies behind you.
No shit.
Here they come.
You guys sounded like Marcus there for a minute. Marcus has been missing for quite a while. Oh, now you come up here. Dumbass. Level 5 shoot. Uh-oh. What'd you jump back down there for? Now I really wish I had a grenade. Blam, miss. Blam. Blam. Oh, come on. Like shooting zombies in a barrel. Oh, I got two of them with one shot on that one. Iffy! Anybody want a burger? Oh, come on. Mama had a zombie and its head popped off. I'm gonna screw around and fall off this building is what I'm gonna do. Well, you're the oh shit! Oh shit! I was gonna say, you're the dumbass that fell off the building. As I fall off the building. Come on. Well, that was fun. Alright, so let's Alright, let's go find somewhere else to play. I've explored a lot of the buildings in town here already. Apparently I missed that one. Yeah, let's go in there real quick. I still don't have any mission objectives, so might as well. We won't use the gun here. Can't get on the roof. Draw too many people up here. Too many zombies. I didn't just gain all those points grinding my shooting for nothing. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, here it comes. It's a zombie in the house. Okay, so this is going to be one of those not a lot of anything houses. But I still have to go into all the rooms to have considered it, to be considered having explored it. Let's get this stuff real quick.
Can't believe that noise didn't bring any zombies.
Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, give me that. That'll be fun. At some point. You just ran right past me, noob. What'd you get for being stupid? Oh, here comes some friends.
Hang on. I've got a transmission coming in, I think. Let me see if I can play it.
Nope. Get off me.
Don't trust the army. They don't care what happens to us. They're turning us out in the goddamn street. For all I know, this is all their fault.
All right, ladies, that's enough.
Might want to head down to the courthouse and see what's going on.
Alright, so I finally have a mission objective. Alright, I can do this. I think the guy I brought with me got munched, though. I haven't seen him in a little while.
I'm headed out.
I hear ya.
I can teach you some things, I said. Like how to become my meat shield, apparently. Yeah, this is where I'm supposed to be.
This is bullshit. We're just trying to survive out here. You can't kill us for that.
Uncle Sam would seem to disagree with you there. Our orders are to evict squatters with lethal force if they resist. You resisted, so just let us go. I got kids, man.
You didn't
And
Scooby
yet you're
Snacks,
out
man.
here, violating quarantine, unlawfully occupying people's homes. Great parenting.
Look, we're sorry, right? We're just trying to get by, same as everybody.
And then?
You got 30 seconds to get out of my sight. 30, 29, 28.
Run, dumbasses!
27,
Go!
26. Jesus. This is about the biggest crock of horse shit ever.
We're done here, Sergeant. Tell your men to prep for evac and RTB.
Yes, ma'am. Why don't you make yourself useful and go babysit those two?
Okay, fine. Be like that. I don't know where the fuck they went. Over there? There's a blue question mark. Oh, and there's a shitload of zombies, too. Zombies that ironically seem to be distracted eating something. Hopefully it's not the people I just went to find.
Anybody home?
Hey, this is the place I died. Maybe I can get my shit back. Yay! Last
I'll
time
run
it was
this home.
glitched through the floor.
We'll see you soon.
Alright, I'll run it home as soon as I find out where these two went. You guys up here? Hello? No? Okay, where else am I supposed to look? Oh, I appear to be in the right spot.
Consider this one searched.
Jello, where are you? Oh crap, now there's 3 of them. Well, this isn't spiffy. I'm running around with a freaking rucksack on. It's gonna slow my butt down, and I need to heal a little here. I don't have anything to heal with. Well, no more getting injured for me. No zombie hordes, right? I don't want to run out in the middle of the street. Yep, there's one down there. Alright, hurry up. Hey now, I gotta go now. Oh, that's not what I wanted to do! I need a car!
I got nothing left.
I was afraid of that. Run, Batman! Run, Batman! Back up on the roof!
Anybody home?
I see you hiding back in there. Hey, dummy. I don't agree with you. You and I have a difference of opinion on how to make bread. Hello? Oh, hey, look. Stuff. Loud stuff!
Crap. So much for doing this the quiet way.
Alright, I gotta get back on the roof! Hurry up, hurry up! Go, 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 go! Nah, I gotta remember how to... F? Dumbass. Why are there so many of them? How many people lived in this town? Bye-bye. Oh, we're gonna do this again. My vehicle is nowhere nearby, of course. It's gotta be. Oh, there's one over there. Can I get to it? I'm gonna try. No! Huh. Come on, go! Just go! Just go! 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 Go!
I need a breather.
No, you don't! No, you do! Go! Zombies on your butt! Hurry up! Hurry up! Sounds like a big bastard! Get in there! Alright, he wasn't a big bastard, but still. That was funny. Alright, well... I gotta find these guys. Squish. Why would they be in there? That's what I want to know. I'm suspecting they probably went over here. I'm hoping they went over here. Because this is where all the zombies are.
Anybody home?
Hello? Anybody means anybody. Hi, you. I found
What you want?
What you want?
Why don't you come with me? We've got room.
Really? My God, thank you. Thought for sure we were gonna die out here.
Where's your friend? There she is. Alright, come on. Let's go. I got the way I came. That guy's got a fork in his face. Everybody in the truck. Except you! I want you in the truck, you hoser.
What did those soldiers want anyways?
Beats the hell out of me. They just showed up, dragged us out onto the street, and sent in those guys in hazmat suits. Started taking a bunch of samples and talking about infection vectors and a bunch of shit I didn't understand. I think that woman was in charge, Captain Montresor or something. Not like she even looked at us.
That's it, right up there. Make yourselves at home.
Thanks. You don't know what this means to us.
Wow, I went through a lot of ammo. It's okay, I need to lay off the firearms anyway for a little while. Or at least get something I'm a little more proficient with, like a shotgun. Hey, what is this? Assault rifle. Yeah, that's what I want. Let's take that and some slugs. Okay. Now, do we have any other objectives now? Public arrest and all. Sam Hoffman. Okay, we need to go do that. So, let's go check on Sam Hoffman. Shall we? Hey, guys. Away from my truck. I would really like a shotgun that could carry more than 2 rounds. Alright, 5 works. Draw every zombie in the neighborhood. Yeah, again, that is the one thing I do not like about firearms. They draw zombies. But it sure beats letting them get in up close to you,
Sam?
too.
What are you doing out here?
Looking for Andy Pims.
Who's Andy Pims?
Fuck, you're persistent. Andy's the guy who used to come into Pastor Will's soup kitchen all the time. Haven't seen him since this bullshit went down.
He's probably a zombie.
I got nothing left.
Alright, well, here we go get the axe. Dude, pull yourself together. Dude, why is your leg so long? That's just gross. That's just gross. Shouldn't have ate that burrito, huh? Alright. I've already explored this house. Why is it giving me the little explore this house?
All quiet here.
Can I build a thingy here?
Looks like a good spot for an outpost.
Really? Are you sure?
No.
Yeah, I'm pulling the trigger on this outpost.
Okay. Well, I managed an outpost. I was just goofing around to see if I could do it. But hey, hell, why not, right? Let's just barricade some stuff. Hey, are you gonna help me? If I'm helping you, you're gonna help me. We need to get this place barricaded up, because I'm the dumbass that said this was a good place
I've been
to...
thinking. You're so good at surviving out there. It might be a good idea if you train some of the rest of us.
Yeah. Maybe. I'm just good at surviving because everyone else that I've played's died, and this just happens to be who I'm on. I don't think that's how board nails work. I don't think you nail them into the window itself. Can I barricade this big bastard? No. This is really not a good place for an outpost. How about I leave and pretend like I was never here and I'm not responsible for this joke? It's right off Main Street where all the freaking hordes are. Combat training. If you need to talk to somebody, see what Sam's up to. I've seen what Sam's up to. I'm supposed to be looking for somebody who's missing. Oh, is that what that is out here? Oh. Alright. Well, I guess I'm going to go ahead and head back to the other place. Oh, I guess I can barricade this shit. The problem with this game is I have played different parts of it so many times. I can't remember... Like, I've got 2 profiles going on. Back when I first started doing these recordings, I did not record one section of the game. So I went back and created another profile and redid most of that part of the game so that you guys could see what was going to happen next. Well, when I died, I hopped back to the other profile so I could continue playing the character that I lost. And now I don't know which profile's got which content on it, and I keep bouncing back and forth. So if I ever do anything repeat, like you guys have seen me do it already, I apologize. I'm gonna try and stick with this profile now and see if we can't actually get the story going for a while. But the other profile I have already done. I had already rescued these 2 people. I had already gone out and accused
I got nothing left.
Farmer Joe Bob and Bimbo out there that everyone thought they were stealing. And I don't remember if I recorded any of that. So if I did, please forgive me. We will get to a point hopefully, thank you. We'll hopefully get to a point where we haven't done any of this already. I'm noticing that the plot hooks are kind of dying down a little bit. Like, I don't have a lot to do right now. It seems like the main story itself has died out. Ed's, like, supposed to be okay, but I have no idea where he's at. I don't know where Marcus went. I know he died in my first profile, but I didn't kill him in the second one. He's just not here anymore. I'm pretty sure the profiles aren't linked, so I don't have any clue what's going on here. Oh, wait, there's Ed. Ed.
Yo, yo, yo.
Nothing.
Don't be a stranger.
You.
Should we?
Nah. Let her...
I'm on it.
Sure, we can look for another
Cool.
home site.
Let's head down towards Marshall. I think I know a place that might suit us.
Marshall?
Or we can just drive around for a while and see what we see. Your call.
Where the hell is Marshall? Oh. So I get to go to the other town now. Alright, well that gives me a clear objective. I'm supposed to be training people though, aren't I? Alan, you dickhead. Won't even talk to me. Got your head shoved so far up your butt, it's right back where it started. Who am I supposed to be training?
How's it going?
No.
Later.
She's like, oh, you should come back. You know how to survive. You should teach us all what you know. But there's nobody to teach because everybody knows what I know, and you lied to me. Unless I'm supposed to teach the preacher here.
God bless.
Nope.
See ya.
Okay, well... I'm supposed to teach you?
Stay strong out there.
No. How about you? Hello? Wyatt Fish? Whitefish? Won't even talk to me either. Alright, well, we're going to go ahead and end this episode now. Next time we get together, we will take that red truck there, and we will go drive out to that other town. See if we can't find us a new home site to give us some more space. Get out of this church. Till then, thank you for watching. I've been your host, DM Renavion, saying stay safe and have fun. I'm out.